We've reviewed quite a few earbud models of the Huawei FreeBuds series, which usually come with some clever technologies and a stylish design. The series has become one of the best options for my daily use. In the past couple of years, I would recommend the top-up line sub-series, FreeBuds Pro, but recently another sub-series, the I-series, just brought me a lot of surprises. The FreeBuds 5i offers some of the high-end features that we only saw on the Pro models, such as dual connection and high-res certification with the LDAC codec. It comes in a more dynamic design with some focus on a more day-to-day experience. Most importantly, the I-series has a very attractive price tag. The earbuds and the case continue the fashion design of the I-series, but they don't look cheap at all. The case has a pebble stone design with a matte finish. The texture surface is applied with the Inkjet coating techniques, which feels even better than the case of a FreeBuds Pro series. Apart from the blue variant in my hand, they are also available in two other finishes, Nebula Black and Ceramic White, but I strongly recommend the blue model. The blue surface does look great. Open the lid, I can clearly feel it's more elastic and stable, which allows me to safely put it on the table in the opening state when I upgrade the firmware. Like the new FreeBuds Pro, the 5i stems are a bit shorter than their predecessors. Both the case and the earbuds are small and light, and the buds are pretty ergonomic and bring a snugger fit. They are sculpted well to mimic outer part of human ear canals, so even for daily workout, they are tight for good comfort and not easy to fall off. And it also features ear fit detection in the AI Life app, which can help you find the best fit for your ears. Huawei added IP54 rating for preventing damage from light rain and sweating, so it's pretty safe to work out wearing the earbuds. Well, at least it's pretty safe for my daily running during these few weeks. A great sound quality upgrade is that the FreeBuds 5i is certified for high-res audio wireless with Sony's LDAC codec support, which is more commonly equipped on some pricier earbuds. Indeed, its sound quality is pretty surprising. You can stream high-resolution audio up to 24-bit 96 kHz audio over Bluetooth at up to 990 kbps speeds. If you're one of who wants to buy earbuds for under €100 and also want good sound quality, the FreeBuds 5i is definitely one of the few options that give top-of-line solution on paper. And if your playback devices do not support LDAC codec, the earbuds also offer AAC and SBC codec for options, which of course are more basic with lossy sounds. The default setting gives a pretty balance and a layering sound that takes good care of multiple instruments and vocals. Nothing is understated and certainly nothing is really overplayed. The sound is powered by 10mm dynamic drivers and is capable of a high volume. The bass is good but not booming and not particularly dominant, while the mids and trebles are more lovely, detailed and crisp. They sound confident and clear and deliver rhythms with good dynamics, creating good vibes with the vocals. Some of you might prefer to listen to specific types of music a lot and feel the sound is a bit flat. There are multiple EQs for options in the AI Life app for certain emphasizes, so if you want to add some weight to the bass, you can activate the bass boost mode, which is perfect for music that greatly relies on bass. If you love clearer trebles and vocals, the treble boost mode could add more focus as well. It's not new that we can experience effective active noise cancelling with budget wireless earbuds. The FreeBuds 5i is a great example. You can find 3 noise control modes in the AI Life app, including Cozy, General, and Ultra. The last one allows for 42 dB of noise reduction. In actual use for my commute, the ANC effect is pretty impressive, though I understand the figure here is only for a peak value at certain frequencies. Or you can also turn the ANC off and activate the awareness mode, and surprisingly, its performance sounds very close to its big brother, the FreeBuds Pro 2. The Gestures tab in the app support customizations. In addition to regular tabs and long press, swiping up and down is also supported for volume adjustment. The app also gives the users options to prioritize sound quality or connection quality. If you care more about sound quality, there might be a slight delay about 1 second between the earbuds and the device, but it's still hard to notice until you play games wearing the earbuds. The app is free to download and install on both Android and iOS platform, but please note that for iOS devices, some features might not be available. And this time, I'm pretty satisfied with the battery performance. After all, it's not easy to have ultra-long battery life if I like such small charging case. The single body can offer around 6 hours battery life with ANC on and over 18 hours with the charging case. And in certain cases, it's quite surprising that the case can support fast charging for the earbuds. After being charged for 15 minutes, 4 hours of battery life could be collected back, but it seems that the fast charging will also depend on the battery state of the case and earbuds. It didn't always stay on a fast charge if the case was in low battery life or the earbuds didn't need much charging, but unfortunately, there's no wireless charging. As a lower-end earbud for under €100, the FreeBuds 5i is impressive. The features we got on it often give me the illusion that it should be pricier. In addition to what I mentioned above, there are some dessert features such as a dual connection regardless of device platform, and if you are using a Huawei phone, things will be even more convenient. For example, you can check and switch audio source of the earbuds on the phone and snap a shot remotely by double tapping the earbuds. So to be honest, its performance can already challenge some pricier earbuds, certainly including FreeBuds Pro series. So that's all about the Huawei latest earbuds. I pretty much like it. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. This is Will from Geeks from China. See you soon.